Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 30088-26 while updating Office apps on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, even if you check the support.microsoft.com forum, not the forum, I mean their website, then you will notice that there are only two solutions to repair the Office and then reinstall it, because there's nothing else that you can do. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps. Wait for this to load. Scroll down to the Microsoft Office app. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select modify. Select online repair and then click on repair. I won't click on repair because otherwise it will stop my video. And then if this doesn't work, then click on these three dots once again and select uninstall and uninstall it. Then you can reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. Wait, I'll show you. Microsoft 365. Click on this and then let it load. Click on this option Microsoft 365 Office and then click on install. Let's let it open because it's installed in my system, but you need to click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.